Hello everyone. In this video we'll try to solve a DI set which will involve reading data from multiple pie charts and relating them. So the question is, the following graphs show the monthly expenditures and savings of three working professionals, Abhinav, Bharat and Chirag. The pie charts given show their respective individual expenses incurred on various things like rent, utility, food, entertainment and their savings. So we can see that we have three pie charts for Abhinav, Chirag and Bharat. And we have some notations over here. This blue color is showing rent, then this is showing food, the orange one, grey one is utilities, yellow is entertainment and this dark blue is savings. The questions we have are, if the amount of money spent by Abhinav on utilities and Bharat on food is same, what percentage of Abhay's salary is Bharat's salary? So basically we have to read data from two pie charts and relate them. If the salaries of Abhinav, Bharat, Chirag are in ratio 3:4:5 respectively, how much does the person who spends the least on rent and food combined earn in thousands? So third one is also regarding the same, reading data from different pie charts and relating them. Now in two of the pie charts we have been given percentages, like in the first one 25, 40, 15, 10, 10. These are in percentage. In the second one as well, 35, 40, 10, 5, 10. These are also in percentages because they are making a total of 100. In the third one we have been given the distribution in degrees. So this is a whole pie chart. I have already told you, in a pie chart the sum of all the angles, the angles like this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle, their sum is 360. So using these angles we'll have to determine their percentages. So we'll do that further in the next slide. So in the first question we were given that amount of money spent by Abhinav on utilities and Bharat on food is same. What percentage of Abhinav's salary is Bharat's salary? So Abhinav on utilities, that means this grey region from the first pie chart, and Bharat on food. Food is the orange one, so this part from the third pie chart. These are same. So let me assume that the total salary of Abhinav is 100A and total income of or salary of this Bharat is 100B. Abhinav on utilities, what will be it? It will be 10% of the total income. So 10% of 100A, which gives us 10A. And then Bharat's on food. So Bharat on food. In case of Bharat, in the pie chart we have the distribution in degrees. So 90 degree is what percent of 360 degree, because this total angle is 360. It will be 90 by 360, which gives us 1/4, which can be written as 25%. So we can say that Bharat is spending 25% on food. So 25% of total. That means 100B. This is his expenditure on food. So this will give us 25B. So both these quantities are same. 10A is equal to 25B. We have to find out what percentage of Abhinav's salary is Bharat's salary. So let us assume that X% of Abhinav's salary is equal to Bharat's salary. So X% of Abhinav's salary, which is basically 100A, is equal to Bharat's salaries, which is 100B. So we have to find out the value of X. 100 cancels. X will be equal to 100B upon A. Now we can find out the value of B upon A using this equation. B upon A will be equal to 10 upon 25, which gives us 2 upon 5. So this will be 100 into 2 upon 5, which gives us 40%. So X will be equal to 40%. 40% is the correct answer to this question. Let's try to solve the next one. Now the second question is, if the salaries of Abhinav, Bharat, Chirag are in ratio 3:4:5 respectively, how much does the person who spend the least on rent and food combined earn in thousands? So let me assume that salary of Abhinav is 3A, salary of Bharat is 4A and of Chirag is 5A. Now definitely the person who is spending the least on rent and food combined, it will be someone out of Abhinav, Chirag and Bharat. But is it possible to determine their salaries exactly in thousands? No, because their salary either can be 30, 40, 50 or 300, 400, 500, 3000, 4000, 5000. So they can have any salaries for different values of A. Hence we cannot determine their salaries exactly in 1000. Hence answer to this question will be cannot be determined. Let us try to solve the third one. This one was very easy. Third one is, if they all have the same income, how much do they all save in thousands? Let me assume that salary of Abhinav, Chirag and Bharat all have salary X. So now when you talk about savings of Abhinav, it is 25% of X, that means X by 4. Saving of Chirag would be 40% of X, that means 2X by 5, and saving of Bharat would be 54, because here we have values in degrees, so 54 upon 360 into 100 into X. So this is the total saving of these three people. Whatever we'll get, it will be in terms of X. So for different value of X, we will have different answers. Hence, X is not proper over here. Hence, we can say that in this case also the answer will be cannot be determined, because we do not have a fixed value of X. So this was very easy. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.